Welcome to the SalveoRx Academy. Lesson 7.0 will teach you how to update your patient records in SalveoRx. The first thing you'd have to do is to run your SalveoRx. You can do this by selecting SalveoRx from the Start menu or by double-clicking your desktop shortcut. Shortly after doing that, the SalveoRx splash page will appear for a few seconds, after which the login window will appear. Type in your username and password and click Login. When SalveoRx displays its main window, click the Cancel button to close the default module. This will allow you to access the My Patients module. On the left side of your screen, you will see the navigation bar. Click on the Maintenance button and then on the My Patients button. SalveoRx will display the My Patients module on the right panel. Select the option Yes, I wish to view an existing patient record, then click Next. This will make SalveoRx direct you to the Update Patient feature. For this module, you will see three main parts. One, the top part, which contains a search feature. This is where you type in the first or last name of the patient you wish to search for. Two, the middle part, which contains the patient information. These are arranged in sets: patient details, special conditions, medications, prescription history, and additional info. And three, the bottom part, which contains the command options. They are 1, to save your patient updates, 2, to prescribe for your patient and access the prescription module, and 3, to close this module. You will need to select a patient in order to view the patient information sets. Search for an existing patient using either a first name or last name. For this example, let us enter J in the Search Patient text field. Notice that SalveoRx will display a list of available patient records as you enter a character. Select a patient record. SalveoRx will process your search and display the information of the selected patient in the information tabs. The tabs are arranged similarly to the steps you used in the Create Patient wizard. The first tab contains the patient's basic details. This includes the first name, last name, birth date, sex, mother's name, weight, and height. Edit any one of the mentioned fields, then click on the Save Patient button to apply your changes. The second tab contains special conditions. This includes the special condition table, which displays the list of conditions a patient may have. You can add or remove any of the conditions listed in this table. Click on the Add Condition button, and SalveoRx will display the condition search window. Type in a keyword. For this example, let us type in the letters HYPERTE and then click Search. SalveoRx will display all records containing the keyword in its search result table below. Mark the checkbox of the condition record you wish to add and then click the Add Condition button. Repeat these steps to add other conditions. Click the Close button when you are done. Notice that SalveoRx will display the conditions you had just added. Click the Save Patient button to apply your changes. To remove conditions from the list, mark the checkbox of the condition record you wish to delete and then click the Remove Condition button. SalveoRx will reflect the changes you've made in the Special Conditions table. Click the Save Patient button to apply your changes. The third tab contains a list of current medications being taken by the selected patient. Similar to the special conditions, a table containing the list of medications currently being taken by the selected patient will be shown. Click the Add Medication button and SalveoRx will display the medication search window. Type in a keyword. For this example, let us type in the letters B, IOGE, and then click Search. SalveoRx will then display all records containing the keyword in its search result table below. Each record is described by generic name, medication name, and vendor field. Mark the checkbox of the medication you wish to add and then click the Add Medication button. Repeat these steps to add other medications. Click the Close button when done. Notice that SalveoRx will display the medications you had just added. Click the Save Patient button to apply your changes. To remove medications from the list, mark the checkbox of the medication you wish to delete and then click the Remove Medication button. SalveoRx will reflect the changes you have made in the medications table. Click the Save Patient button to apply your changes. The fourth tab contains the patient's prescription history. All prescriptions you made for this patient can be searched and viewed using this feature. This tab includes a search feature and an option to view the details of a created prescription. Simply fill in a search option. You can choose to use a date range, generic name, or brand name. SalveoRx will display all generated prescriptions related to this search. You could also click the Display All button to show all prescriptions made for this patient. From the Search Results table, select a record and click the View Prescription Details button. SalveoRx will display a preview window containing the details of the selected prescription. You can choose to use the available options such as print, cancel, save to file, or print just the text of a particular prescription. The last tab contains the patient's additional information. This includes the middle name, ethnicity, nationality, address, civil status, and contact details. For this example, let us change the nationality, home phone number, and email address. Click the Save Patient button to apply your changes. At any point during your patient record update, you can click the Prescribe for this patient button. When you click this option, SalveoRx will direct you to the Create Prescription module with the patient field already set. You then only need to add prescription items and complete the Create Prescription procedure. This concludes Lesson 7.0 of the SalveoRx Academy, how to update your patient records in SalveoRx. Watch the other SalveoRx Academy videos to learn more about SalveoRx. SalveoRx is a product of Salus Healthcare Informatics Incorporated. This video is likewise a product of Salus Healthcare Informatics Incorporated. Closed captioning was provided by the Stag Business Solutions Group, Philippines.